Today we got, well, last night it started snowing. We got a blizzard upon us, much snow, and it's snowed about, I think, a foot so far. It's still snowing, and it's gonna end in the nighttime. So we got about 6 or 7 more hours of snowing. And within these snowstorms, life kind of slows down, and many things are affected. Traveling, businesses, workers getting to work. Our work today, the power was out, so we didn't work. And a lot of people were stuck in their streets, their driveways, because they haven't been plowed yet. So a lot of things are affected when this amount of snow comes in at once. So I live in a house and I have heat here, and I'm comfortable in my living conditions. But I was considering myself within all people here, and many people in my city don't have, where I'm living, don't have a home to live in. And there are shelters that take them in, but I'm sure many aren't sufficiently covered and have enough shelter to help them stay out of the snow, stay out of the cold. Also, power was lost to many people, and this kind of shuts down life, shuts down businesses, and it also brought up this point of how we face this lack of resources that we depend on and rely on daily. 100,000 people lost power. I think I might have already said that. But many people lost power, and can we live here without power? Of course, yes, we can, but it's not as easy. So within myself, I started considering, how I would live if we didn't have power, if we didn't have a house, and I'm going to start reading more about natural farming and living with nature, herbs and homeopathic type things that can help if need be. But this point of resources that we consume is something to consider, because these aren't going to be available to us by the way we consume and don't put back into the system what we take. So eventually, obviously, it's going to run out. So within this equal money system, all of these points are considered and taken into account and mathematically equated to an outcome that is best for all. As what the system is based on is what is best for all. So what's best for yourself is best for all. So you just have to look within yourself and look at another and see what you would want for yourself. And these things will be considered and taken care of. Housing for all, um, power for all, but not in a sense that it's power for all and then we don't consider the resources we're taking. We're gonna we have to limit ourselves within what we use and um, kind of systematically integrate um, reservation within self to not just kind of indulge in this consumerism, but take into account that life is giving itself for us to live, and we're consuming life here. With what we eat, everything really is affected. So within Equal Money, it will help to bring about this systematic way of allowing self to consider self within all things here and help balance out and create a fair system for all and allow all to benefit. So check out equalmoney.com or .org, sorry if you haven't, and start participating. Everyone counts, and we welcome all angles, all aspects to be considered. So voice yourself and start participating. Be cool. Thank you.